Hello, my friends. Today, we're getting into something extraordinary, how the quantum field connects everything and how your mind plays a pivotal role in tapping into it. The universe we live in is not as rigid as it seems. Science has shown us that the world, at its core, is energy and information. Every single thing, from the tiniest particle to the grandest galaxy, operates within a field of infinite possibilities. This field is what some call the quantum field, a limitless space where everything exists in potential form. But here's the most exciting part: you're not separate from this field. You are an integral part of it. Let's start with a foundational truth: your thoughts and feelings influence your reality. Imagine for a moment that your brain is not just a collection of neurons firing electrical impulses but a transmitter and receiver of energy. When you think a thought, especially one that carries strong emotion, you're broadcasting a signal into the quantum field. This field responds to you, not in random ways, but with precision. Your thoughts and emotions are the language of this field. Now, you might ask, how does this actually work? It begins with your mind. The thoughts you think repeatedly create a pattern in your brain. Over time, this pattern becomes a belief, and your beliefs shape how you perceive and interact with the world. For example, if you believe you are unworthy, your brain will filter out opportunities for growth and joy because they don't align with that belief. But the good news is this: beliefs are not fixed. They are simply neural patterns that can be rewired. The process of rewiring your mind involves more than just positive thinking. It requires a conscious effort to align your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors with the reality you want to create. The quantum field doesn't respond to empty wishes, it responds to who you are being. If you want to attract abundance, you must feel abundant, even before the evidence shows up in your life. This isn't magic, it's physics. When you combine a clear intention with an elevated emotion, like gratitude, joy, or love, you create coherence between your brain and heart. This coherence is measurable. Studies have shown that when your heart and brain are in sync, your body operates at its highest potential, and the signal you send into the quantum field becomes even more powerful. This is the essence of manifestation, but it's grounded in science. Think about it this way: your brain is the architect, and your heart is the builder. Together, they construct the reality you experience. When your mind is scattered with doubt and fear, your signal to the field is chaotic, and the results you get will reflect that chaos. But when your thoughts are focused and your emotions are aligned, you're broadcasting a clear and potent message to the universe. You might wonder, how can I start applying this in my life? Begin by becoming aware of your thoughts and feelings. Awareness is the first step to change. Pay attention to the stories you tell yourself. Are they empowering or limiting? If they're the latter, it's time to rewrite them. Choose a new thought that aligns with the life you want to live and repeat it until it becomes your new belief. Next, practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotional state that opens the door to the quantum field. When you feel grateful, you're telling the universe that you already have what you desire. This isn't just about being thankful for what's already in your life, it's about feeling gratitude for the things you're creating, as if they're already here. This shifts your energy and aligns you with the frequency of your desired reality. Another crucial step is meditation. Meditation quiets the mind and allows you to access the subconscious, where your deepest patterns reside. It's in this state of stillness that you can plant new intentions and truly connect with the quantum field. You're not escaping reality, you're creating it from a place of infinite possibility. Understand that this work is not about control, it's about partnership. You're co-creating with the universe. The quantum field is always responding to you, whether you're aware of it or not. So why not take an active role in shaping your reality? It's not about forcing things to happen, it's about aligning yourself with the energy of what you desire and allowing it to flow into your life. You might face resistance, both internally and externally. That's normal. Your old patterns will try to pull you back into the familiar because it feels safe. But growth happens outside of comfort zones. When you step into the unknown with faith and clarity, you open yourself to new possibilities. The key is to persist. Change doesn't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, it becomes inevitable. The implications of this are profound. Imagine a world where people understand and apply these principles. We could create a reality that reflects harmony, abundance, and peace. It starts with each of us taking responsibility for our own energy. When you change your inner world, the outer world begins to shift in response. Now, let's shift our attention to the power of curiosity and its role in accessing the quantum field. Curiosity is a state of openness and wonder, one that allows us to approach life with fewer preconceived notions. When you're curious, you naturally ask questions that stretch your perception of what's possible. This state of mind keeps you engaged and flexible, qualities that are essential for connecting with the infinite possibilities the quantum field offers. Many of us have unknowingly confined ourselves to habitual thinking. It's easy to live by familiar routines, reacting to life based on past experiences. But when you begin to question the assumptions you've held on to, you start to dismantle the invisible walls that limit your potential. Ask yourself, what if there's a better way to see this situation? What if my current perspective isn't the whole truth? These questions signal your mind to explore new pathways, and in doing so, you open yourself to possibilities that you might have never considered before. Another factor that plays a vital role in your quantum connection is imagination. While some see imagination as mere daydreaming, it's actually a creative force. When you visualize something vividly, your brain doesn't distinguish between the imagined event and reality. This ability to simulate experiences is a tool that can help align you with the life you want to create. But here's the catch: imagination works best when paired with action. It's not enough to imagine success, you have to align your actions to make it tangible. Action itself is a kind of language that speaks to the quantum field. Every step you take, no matter how small, sends a signal that you're serious about your intentions. Small, consistent actions compound over time to create momentum. This momentum builds energy that makes your intentions harder to ignore, not just for you, but for the universe itself. Additionally, let's discuss the importance of letting go of control. Often, we become so focused on how our goals should materialize that we block other, potentially better outcomes. Letting go doesn't mean giving up. Instead, it's about trusting the quantum field to organize events in ways that serve your highest good. Detaching from the how allows you to stay open to unexpected opportunities and outcomes. Lastly, connect deeply with gratitude, not as an obligation but as an expression of genuine appreciation for what's unfolding. When you express gratitude in the present moment, you amplify the energy that attracts more of what you desire. Gratitude shifts your focus away from lack and scarcity, helping you notice the abundance that already surrounds you. To wrap up, let's talk about how you can begin implementing these concepts in practical, actionable ways. Start by setting aside time each day to consciously reflect on your intentions. Whether it's in the morning or before bed, this ritual sets the tone for the energy you bring into the quantum field. Write down your goals and pair them with the emotions you want to experience. This simple act of clarity has immense power. Focus on one small habit you can change. Transformation doesn't require an overhaul of your entire life all at once. Pick something manageable, like replacing a limiting thought with a constructive one. Consistency is key. When you commit to these small steps, you're signaling to the universe that you're ready for bigger shifts. Engage your imagination in moments of stillness. Picture yourself already living the reality you desire. Add details that make the vision vivid and compelling. When you combine this mental rehearsal with practical actions, you align your mind, body, and energy toward your goal. Now, here's something important to leave you with: don't rush the process. The quantum field doesn't operate on a rigid timeline. Patience allows you to stay in alignment with your intentions without forcing outcomes. Trust that your actions and energy are creating waves in this interconnected field, even if the results aren't immediately visible. As we close, let's make this conversation interactive. If you found these insights valuable, take a moment to like this video. It helps us share this message with more people. And if you want to get deeper into these concepts, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more empowering content. Next, let us know your thoughts in the comments. Have you experienced moments where your mindset or emotions directly influenced your reality? Sharing your stories not only reinforces what you've learned but also creates an inspiring space for others. Additionally, hit the notification bell so you never miss updates. Each new piece of content is designed to help you unlock your true potential. And don't keep this to yourself, share this video with friends or family who might need to hear this message today.